Hey, so I got a call with Gerald. He's thinking about coming to the Cancun trip, but he's not sold yet, so I'm gonna sell him.
Hey, Micah.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing?
I'm good. We're filming.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Guys,
Good. All right, let's make sure we're on frame here. All right, cool. We're good to go. How are you doing, bud?
dude, I'm so sorry, man. Traffic in Lima is so
Bro,
horrible.
it's all-
I
it's
thought
all
like
good.
15 minutes would be enough. And
It's all good, man.
more than-
I'm just doing my filming today. I'm doing filming today, so it's all like I just did another quick
Okay.
video. Like, don't apologize. It's all good, man.
Thank you so much.
You don't
Thank
make.
Thank you.
I'll make time for you.
Thanks, man.
All right, bud.
I've been doing great.
Yeah.
I actually picked up this book, and it's funny because it's a book in Spanish, but
Okay.
it's by a guy called. Do you understand what it says?
No.
It says like it's about neuroscience, like in neuroscience applied to sales, right?
Yeah, totally.
And it's kind of cool because it mentions a lot of the things covered during like the short segments I've seen about Ollie. I haven't gotten the course yet. I know I need to do it, but I think I'm gonna leave it for next month because like I already have my finances planned out for this month, you know. So I think it's gonna help the business a little bit.
Bro, man, could you like all these videos are money? How like from the psychological? Is it psychological standpoint,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, no, like I was watching one I posted in the group, right? The latest one he did where he was walking towards looked like a castle. But he was just talking about the things and I was like, man, it's like it made me it's like I want to start doing videos about this. But you know what would be the coolest freaking thing? I think it would actually be even better than getting his course.
What?
Hanging out with him in Cancun.
This is the thing. I think it's quite possible. I was talking to my mom. I'm not living with her, but we still always talk, obviously, right?
Yeah.
And she's gonna get some money from. She had this minor injury at work like a year ago, and she's finally gonna get some money out of that.
Okay.
And she was telling me about it, and I told her about the books that I'm doing, and I said, Mom, I want to write you some books, and she was down for it because I told her about like passive income and everything,
Yeah.
and she was kind of excited about that. So I'm trying to negotiate with her, like, hey, Mom, I'm gonna write you like maybe 5 books, and just find a way to get you some books out, but just lend me like $1,000 for like September, so I can go to this Cancun meeting, right? I think I can negotiate it with her, and this is something that she just told me about recently about the money she's getting. So I think it's all gonna click in the end, you know.
Okay, so that's cool. Okay, so let me challenge you. Okay, let's say she doesn't get the money. Then what?
All right.
So, how are you doing? How are your books? How's income?
This month I've been working on something special. So,
I'll edit out. I'll bleep out whatever you say about your like. I'll edit it so YouTube doesn't.
Yeah.
You know. So,
actually,
but
I'm very comfortable sharing this one, but not yet. But like, if you want to
Yeah,
later
yeah.
on, like if you post this a month from now, I'm completely down with it. But right now, maybe not. Was really successful for me.
Yep.
Was my first really good book. It started
Yep.
making around $700 every month.
is it still doing that?
What's up?
It's still doing that?
No, it's maybe around 200.
Okay.
All right, but it's still not bad, right?
Yeah.
So my friend and I, we made 2 books, How to Solve a 3x and a 2x2 one with real images this time. The first one I made it was with horrible images. It was black and white. It sucked so much. I was so like...
Yeah. A black and white. A black and white. That'd be pretty easy to solve, right?
Making $700 a month off from that, I felt so bad about myself. But we made it really good. We actually did a video series about it.
Sweet.
We actually, we recorded ourselves doing it. We posted it on YouTube right now.
Mm-hmm.
My friend has promised me that he's gonna reply to all of the messages he gets. I'm gonna put his email there, and it's gonna be like very like interactive, you know, with
Sweet.
the actual reader. So it's not just gonna be a regular book with images, but it's gonna be at every point. Hey, if you need help, just message me here. Watch this video.
Love it.
At this point in the video, like this is gonna happen. So I think this is gonna make me at least like consistently $700 a month. I'm gonna publish these 2 books and a bundle. So that was the great project for this month.
Cool.
I'm really excited.
Is that published?
So with that,
Is it published?
no, we just finished the video today. It's just been posted.
Okay.
Today I'm gonna do one last just fast edit of the book, and then I'm gonna publish it tonight.
Okay, cool. So that's not like, so it's probably going to take some time to get going, which means that's not going to help us right now. That'll help us in September, but Cancun's in September. So is it like, are you at the point like you got to borrow some money to go? Do you need to, like, is it money? Is it money? Is that the thing that's holding you back, or is it?
No, it's literally just money. Emeka, I've gotten like a lot of loans to go. Like when I was doing network marketing, I would ask my family loans all the time to go to Brazil, to go to places for like the conventions. I'm sure I can still get it, like if I put my mind to it. But I don't wanna ask my family again, because before I used to fail them all the time. Before I got into Kindle publishing, I would barely pay like the debt little by little. I wasn't really. I didn't feel good about getting into debt like that.
Yeah, I've been there. I've been there. With like direct sales.
What's up?
No. It's what you were saying is like, yeah, I've been there. When I struggled my early years with Cutco. Yeah. No, I remember that, man. Okay, so that's understandable.
I think every entrepreneur has gone through that. Exhausting all the possible like debt we can get from family. But then it starts being good again, and then you're scared of going into that kind of debt again.
So let me ask you this, right? Like you've been to events, you've been to immersion events where hanging out, like the agenda itself is going to kick ass, but just being able to hang out with people and connect with them in person and have those conversations, that's literally going to change your business. You know the value of that. Right?
Yeah.
Man, you're different. Like, and you've had success now. Like, you've made it work, right? Look at the effort that you're putting into this book, and what you like. What makes a book sell? What do you have to do?
Just give solve the problem.
Solve a problem and market it. It's marketing, right?
Yeah.
So, like, you're going to have a chance to sit down with some of the top marketers in the publishing space. Like, you're going to do better. Plus, we're going to have the Christmas season going around, and your book is in that niche we know is going to do well for Christmas. Look what Jacob did, right? With the yo-yo. Right?
That's insane, yeah.
Right? So think about building up the momentum. We know this is going to pay off tenfold.
I'm gonna tell you straight up, Emeka. I'm committing myself to you right now that I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna hope that my mom pulls through with the how do you say it, with the lend of the money. But if that doesn't happen, I'll just make it happen. I'll take all my month's income from.
Okay, bro. Like, I love ya, and I know you mean well, but until you got your event ticket. The event ticket paid for? You ain't committed to shit.
I got you. Question. When is the last, like, this is what I'm thinking.
Yeah. What are you thinking?
My mom is here in Peru right now. She just came she's going to stay one more week here and she's going to go back. I'm going to go back to the U.S. around, like, August 15th or 14th.
Yep.
And once I'm back there, she's going to have the money, and I want to ask her for the money then. If that doesn't work, then I was planning to just very last minute with my earnings from the end of the month of August, buying my ticket and buying everything just as soon as the earnings come in. Mm-hmm. And I don't care about what happens after the event. As long as I get there, I'm sure I can make it work.
100%, man. So like as long as the hotel doesn't fill up, you're good. No, well, and we haven't sold out. Like, we're like 85, like it's like 70, or no, not 85, like 80% sold so far, right? Because we're limiting to 20 people. So what you can do is just get the event ticket to hold your spot. The hotel airfare, you can get that at, like, you said end of August or end of July? End of August.
End of August.
Yeah, you can get that end of August. The hotel prices won't change because we have those special rates locked in. Okay, airfare is airfare. Watch the twins video on finding cheap airfare, or even how reach out to them. And they could probably give you some direct pointers or anything about finding cheap airfare. Are you gonna fly from Peru or fly from the States?
No, from the States, it's gonna be much cheaper.
Oh yeah. Oh man, sweet.
Yeah.
So yeah, like I would at least get your spot locked in. Like I don't know if you got like what is it? It's like $397, like $400. I get that locked in like now, so at least your spot's reserved. And so we sell out over the next couple of weeks. You don't have to worry about that. And then just get your flight, your hotel. You just get that, and like you could buy that September 5th. The event September 6th. Like it doesn't matter, right? As long as you can get there.
Right.
So it's more of a question of like we're gonna sell it, right?
Okay. No. And if you're doing this with everybody else, I know you're gonna sell out.
Yeah. Why do you think I was like, man? Okay, I got to talk to Gerald. I know how the conversation's gonna go. I'm just gonna record it because I'm the same conversation I'm having with everybody. Until we're sold out. And I'm having these conversations. I was having this conversation with somebody when I was working out in the gym, and then they bought their ticket.
Like while you were working out, you were telling him you gotta go to Cancun, man.
Oh yeah, I was taking a break. I'm like, yo, I'm at the gym right now, so this is for your best interest because I'm messing up my workout. And boom, he confirmed. He bought his ticket, right? Saw the ticket purchase, and I had a wicked rest of my workout. But like this, like it's and this guy is brand new. Only has 2.5 books, so 2 books in a bundle published. We still recording? Good. 2 books in a bundle published, and yeah. So
You know what's gonna be funny? Like at the end of the event, just putting all these videos, like just to remind us what it took us to get it there.
totally.
Totally. Okay. Emeka, is there? Okay. End of July, end of August. I gotta pay the $400 up front for the ticket, like I guess by like the end of this month, right?
Like today, so it doesn't sell out.
Shit.
Do you have it?
Definitely no. Like all my publishing like money, I
Yep.
already like I do this at the start of every month. I think, okay, what am I gonna spend this for the entire month? Okay, this is I'm gonna spend for my publishing business. This is gonna spend for my
Yeah.
stuff. This is gonna be, and I've already done that, so I have no money for this month.
Can you borrow can you borrow 400 from somebody to reserve your spot?
Man, can you wait for me till the end of the month to do it, like with next month?
Bro, I can wait till September 5th. It's everybody else who's not going to wait and who's going to want to go to the event.
Yeah.
Can you borrow it from your dad or somebody? Like I'd even my thing about credit cards, right? I'd even say throw it on a credit card for this. That's how much that's how important the event is for your business. Because I'm like never use your credit card to buy books or whatever. Credit card for this is okay because it's an investment in yourself.
Dude, wait for me 10 days. I promise
Bro,
you.
I'll wait for you for 10 years. We sell out, we sell out. Like that ain't that me waiting is not an issue. It's we selling out is the issue. So, it's totally your call, right? I know we get paid, I know we get paid in 10 days. Shit, tell that to somebody you need to borrow the money for. It's like, I need to get my ticket before they sell out. I get paid in 10 days. I can't wait 10 days because Emeka's on top of things and he's going to sell out. So can you front me $400 for 10 days?
Okay.
Dude,
I'm trying to. Okay.
I know the wheels are spinning, bro. Work on it. We're not going to sell it today.
Alright.
We're not going to sell it today. We could. We might. I got a couple more conversations with some people today, but I don't think we're going to sell it today. But make some phone calls. Grab somebody's credit card. Just, let me just borrow this. 10 days. I get paid from Amazon in 10 days. Technically, it'll be 9 days because we're usually paid on the 29th, 30th, I guess, right?
Let me see what they're going to get paid. Today, on the 30th, we're going to get paid.
On 30th. All right. So like 10 days. So
yeah.
make some calls, man, and see what you can do.
I think you can get it. Can I make you like, in the worst case scenario, can I make a $200 deposit, like maybe within the next 2 days, and then the other $200 do it by the end of the month?
Can you do 200 today?
2 days. Give me 2 days to get you $200 to your PayPal account, and then at the end of the month, I can pay you the other $200. Is that possible?
Can you do 200 today?
Yeah,
Okay.
man,
Look, make some calls. Make some calls.
Yeah.
Like, because right now, we can't move forward. Make some more calls. See if you can borrow. Yeah, I'll do that for you because you're part of the, we're working together, part of the accelerator, and we go back. I'll do that for you. Okay? Nobody else. I'm going to do it for you. But yeah, man. Yeah, get me the 200 today. We'll figure it out, and then, I'll keep that spot for you.
all right. Let me make some calls. I'm gonna make some calls right now.
Okay.
By tonight, I think I can get it, man.
Yeah, man. Bro, I know you can get it. You're a smart guy. You can do this. Figure it out. You can do it. 100%, man. 100%. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes.
I haven't gone out of my comfort zone for money.
Get out of your comfort zone, Gerald. Shit. Let's grow your business. Let's blow it up together. Let's do it.
All right, man.
All right? I'm here if you need me.
Give me 24 hours.
Okay, 24 hours. You got this. You got this. Any questions? Hit me up, all right?
I got you, man. No problem.
I love
All
it,
right.
bro. I can't wait. I'm so excited for you.
Thanks, man.
Awesome, bud. We'll
Thanks
talk
for the
soon.
call. I needed the call. If not, I would have waited maybe last minute.
I know you needed the call. That's why I'm calling people. People need to be pushed. People need to know what's best for them. This event is best for them. I got you. Don't worry.
And like, I'm gonna be probably the easiest sell you have because I've been on your side of this before. Getting other people to like go to another country for an event was part of like daily life before. Doing network marketing. So I'm completely with you.
And why do you get people to go? Because it's going to be because it's what's best for them, for their business. It's no different, man. All right, 24 hours. It's 3:43. Let's get this shit going. Awesome, buddy. We'll talk soon. Take care. Cancun, September 6th to the 9th. I want you there.